Hello everyone, we are here at the Niagara Falls, and right on the side is a bridge connecting to connecting Canada and New York. The other side, that one is already New York. It's a Buffalo City, New York. So the falls in here are in two sides. That side is in the USA, that one. The water coming from the US, and on the other side is the Niagara Falls, the Horseshoe Ship Falls, which is being utilized as a source of hydroelectric power here in Canada. So it's really amazing. When a while ago we were at that cruise ship traversing the water, passing through the side of New York waterfalls and going to the side of Niagara Falls in Canada. So when we reached there at the closer to the falls, it seems it's like raining, but actually it's the mist of water falling down. That's I forgot on how high this one, but I think that's almost 40 meters high, or I forgot that one. It was mentioned a while ago when we were riding that ship. So, and at this side we have the going below. There's a zip line traversing from the other side going here. So we're looking at the back and giving you a 360 view where I'm standing here. There are a lot of tourists here. It's really like this every day. There's a lot of tourists here coming from every parts of the world just to come here to see this the marvels of God's creation. It's really awesome here. So okay, and that's all for now.